Great.
Great.
That's great. Ready? Okay, now we gotta take our hands back and move it back here again. We gotta hold it right here. There we go. Just about like that. It's perfect. How's that?
Good.
It's good. Okay. What are we making? You know what you don't know what we're making, do you? What are you making? Huh?
Hello.
We are making a pillow. Well, that's very good. We're making a pillow for Mommy, aren't we? But Mommy knows how to make a pillow now because she's gotten so smart about this. Look at you now. Just we want to keep your finger out of the needle, okay? There. Oh, you're doing great. Look at that. Here we go. And we gotta get it right over here. Whoops. We're gonna have a little mistake there, but it'll be perfect because it'll be the end of it. And who cares, right? How do we do?
Bennett, do you like to sew?
Tell Mommy what we're doing. What are we making? Hmm?